Hello. Now, regrettably, I'm still on day 12. I am 100% getting more and more I'm digging my hole more and more for this day. So I'm hitting the 4 and 4, but I'm hitting nothing here. Should start by printing out what is it that's the how is it that I am moving over there? Well, there you go. See what causes you to be tired. Okay, so that's a 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. We are not even close there. So I don't quite understand the +1. I would expect to drift way more than that. Again, friends by fans, like so. Okay, now we're talking. I can remove that +1 here. So 4, 4, and still 6. I don't believe that was the actual deal with this one. It was 12. So guessing my drifting doesn't quite include. So starting for 2, 3. The fuck was that command? Okay. So we can vertically take this. And paste it over here. We can also get it up by 1. This way it's easier to read inside of Neovim. And there it is, okay. So we shall start at 2, 3. And that will count as a drift. I don't know why. Shouldn't count as a drift. Well, this is the +1 since I'm starting at 0, 0. It should be the one that I drop. Theoretically speaking. Alright. Then 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. 8. I get to 3, 8, so this is a drift. Yes. 4, 8, 5, 8, 6, 8, 8, 8. Drift. 8, 7, so drift. Drift. Okay, so this won't go left. It will always... I probably could do it more directionally and try to intentionally drift every time I can drift. By the way, the problem with DFS is because when I get in here, yeah, counting drift doesn't work because when I get in there, simply not it, chief. Yeah, we're counting 2 drifts here. So I'm getting to 6. But I'm losing 4. Losing way more than 4. I'm losing 6. So I got the corners. That's true. The 7th row. Okay. But I'm not trying to find a pattern, I'm trying to go... Let's take this out. Okay, then, yeah. I'm gonna get in here, so that's going to be a drift. Then I'm going to get in here, it's going to be a drift. What is it I'm missing? So that's 4 on the sides. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, well, because it's not drifting in the way that I want it to drift. Because I should be taking any drift possible. Once again, this ain't it, chief. The last thing I want to try before getting back to counting edges would be to, if I can in some manner, understand a line. But that was very difficult to visualize. Because let's say I get every one of those, right? Like, let's go back, right? So all of this is evidently a line. Correct? Correct. Like from Su3 to this is a line. And that's an easy one. Let's actually work with this. I wonder how sort will do it. Now, I'm wondering if this works as intended. Like, can I split this into being a 12? So that's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See, even splitting them by the sides, it won't quite work. Because at the end of... No, wait. So there's here difference 4. So that's one more. 8, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, so we got one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Actually, this can work. Looks like it's working here. That's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So in this case, it works quite nicely. Which, by the way, I already have all of these values. I just printed out the fence every time. So if I can insert my fence in some intelligent manner, it shall work somewhat. Okay, so this is a vertical line. The confusing aspect of this formula is why are my 8s on the I element? Like, yes, this 2 and 3. Shouldn't this be reverse ordered? That's interesting. And by that I mean fucking confusing. Hello there. Panic, yes. No man, the thing that makes me panic is the fact that I just used this code and now suddenly it won't work. The len is 0 but the index is 8. Where? 170. What's at 170? Oh, yeah. Hey, for some reason. What the fuck is this? Okay, so I was thinking about this fence idea. Because somewhat my, like, Something that I quite not understand is why are my coordinates displayed in a funny way. Okay, I should give some more breathing room here. And I should also print this. Wait, what in the shit is this? Oh, right. There it is. That explains it better. Okay. So this kind of fence, right? Actually, I'd rather have it vertical. Okay. This is huge. Not that one, not that one. Damn. Yeah, this one. Let's pick it up. I don't like this print. Not impressed. For F-Paint fans. Just want them to be vertical. Those are a lot of lines, Chief. There we go. Suppose there's a lot of duplication here. God damn it. Now, probably DFS is the easiest way to get it going. The problem they have with DFS is it got my corner to be... It confused my columns. Which I don't see, by the way, anymore. Very confused as what my function does. Now what? Where? Again, 171. God damn it. Don't need a drift anymore. Why is it so ordered? Like this thing here. Anyway, hi Cinecron. What brings you here, my brother? How is your Advent of Code doing? Hopefully better than mine. Okay, now see. This makes a hell of a lot more sense. This I can work a little bit more. Now that would Chama. Dude, why? I'm gonna just restart my tablet because I hear you messaging, but I don't see it messaging. God damn it. Twitch app is awful. Like the worst. Typically to actually start and finish a side project. We'll see how it goes now. Trying. What project is, man? But I feel you. I always lose it halfway to the project. I was like, yeah, I don't want to finish this anymore. Some sort of simple game. Oh, that's nice. In Rust? If you're doing it in Rust, that's brilliant. Well, in any way that you do, finishing a game is actually amazing. I doubled with a friend of mine for a game for like a little bit in Java. And project was getting fun because we do it without framework and anything. So a lot of learning opportunity. Unfortunately, my friend happened life to him, so life takes precedence most of the time, which sucks. I'm getting 6 if I were to pair them like that, which is unfortunate. Don't know if I can increment everything. No, it only increments the first column. How to increment everything in Vim. But yeah, games are fun. You always get to learn a lot because in problem I have to a lot of different area of programming is that, well, let's say lots of different area as if I'm programming in every area possible. But the game development I think is the most challenging and complete one when you want to get into crazy ideas. And that's absolutely fun. So this will be my column. This will be my 7s. That's one. So that's the one row. This is this side. This is the 7 side. Okay. This is one and this is one. Right, so I said I have 6 sides. Which if I group it, it won't tell me, it will tell me only half of the story. Which again, not good. Like for simple cases, this might even work, but for my case, it won't. I think I'm going back to counting corners. Because I don't see how I could understand. I just need to specify better the edge cases. We're basically there, so yeah. Let's check out this. I wish to backup it, but whatever. Let's stash it. You stash DFS. Git stash with name. Don't remember the command. Yeah, games fun. The unfortunate thing about me with games is that I don't play anymore. Or I play very sparsely, so I don't feel excited about the idea to make a game. I feel excited about the idea to make an engine on anything that's programming hard. but I don't have the same drive to say, hey, I wish to play a game, so I want to make that game. I don't really play game much anymore either. Yeah, it's sad, but it doesn't feel that fun anymore. I saw a nice video of a dude who basically said that he started working in games so that he would slow down and enjoy the experience, and that might be part of it. Uh, I work. I don't know if you work, but working and maybe going to see the girlfriend, which I should actually text to. Going, girlfriends, parents, and friends. You get very little time to play, and those time fly by. So you feel the need to rush that 1 hour and get fun. Which when I was in college, I had like 3, 4 adjacent hours, and it was easier for me to enjoy it rather than how it is now. So back to corner, mania, and edge cases. Yeah, this one works in my last part, and let's get it back into it. The other part is every time that I'm playing a game, unless I'm cooked, like it's in the evening, so I'm completely cooked, my brain automatically says I could be programming because I program and I'm learning how to draw to make a comic book. So those are my biggest. Well, gym is also, but the one biggest thing that I do on my free time are those two. And every time I say I could be either programming, I could be drawing or writing, or I could be also, yeah, basically programming, drawing, writing, or maybe even look at another TV series so I get a little bit more exposure to good writing. And that's the thing that always stops me. Like, I don't feel great about playing. I feel way more great if I could do one more day of Advent of Code, or, oh, by the way, the hat. Forgetting the hat. Got them. Okay. So to poke around here, I overshooting by, I guess, 38. Let's get the reason. Let's use Python for the reason that it's on my system. So minus 1206, 37. That's not good. Yeah, I'm not gonna bother with base cases because I should be having a 3, 6, 8. So 10, 6 acts like an edge. So I don't even miss it. The thing that I miss most is friends. Like actually playing with friends. Used to be nice that we always would like this huge crowds playing. Okay, I was playing LOL, so probably that is part of the problem why I stopped playing games. But it always was fun to get everyone to play there. Okay, I can remove base because it's a useless print. I know that base works. That probably was part of the problem. The 310, which I suppose would be this 0, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. And that's fine. This is the edge, so it should count. Oh, this is overcounting. This should be only edge 1, right? Like if I count it up, my F says 13. It'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, I'm overshooting this case. Which was because, how did I change the edge to? Bro, I'm looking it in the face. Edge cases, yes, here. There you go. So my edge 2 is getting fucked up pretty bad because it only... Now setting is more than 2. What happens if I remove the equal? It's strictly more than 2. 1, 2, 2, 9. Got an improvement. Here's like an improvement. Oh damn, I read bad edge. Oh no. Edge. So yeah, I don't quite miss that. I probably just miss the idea to stay with friends up. Okay, so this is d3 should be up 4. Like if it's more than 3, then you should probably return twice. Okay, this is getting me somewhere. Okay, at least I'm not hitting this anymore. This is only once. Good. This is only once. Nice. That's correct. Now the problem that 6, 7 should hit 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. This one should hit twice. This is precisely 3. I'll have him say check if it's precisely 3 cases. Wonder how this changes. 1 to 29. Overshot because I'm not counting corners anymore. The corner is important. Should be thinking a little bit more about this corner case. But is that even different? Because if I enter over here, it's going to be like I'm accounting for this. I'm accounting for this. Can I get in? Is this an instant 2? Okay, let's start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yeah, overshot. Like my first condition was if it's exactly 2 or 4. But yeah, if I have in a 3 corner should be twice or thrice, I guess. Let's see if I go for 3. That's way too more. Yeah, that's way too much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, because I count this direction. All right, that's why I should be checking the corner, because sometimes with the corner I get +1 automatically for my corner detection. So if it's, I don't know which corner to check, that's the big deal. But if I check them all and there are 5, it's one thing. So if it's 5, it's 2, but if it's it is dependent on the direction of those corners. That's the big deal. Okay, how do we describe this? How do we check specifically what I need, what I want? Because if I could describe my cases, it will be something like this. Okay, so this case, well, actually, this is probably a good idea to do. So A, this is the greatest idea I had so far. Okay, so that's a 1, 2, 3. Okay, so there's a 3 easy sizes. And in this specific case, there should be like 1 here, and 3 in here. So those are 6. I'm overshooting in this specific case. So this is case 1. When there are 3, I should return 2, because with my algorithm I'm counting so far 1 here, so I account for this, and this. I get a +2 for this center algorithm, so we're already up at 6. Which means if this doesn't exist, we are already good to go. Because that's an edge 1. This is a base case, basically. But it isn't. Interesting. What's overcounting? Is it 8? Am I stupid? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I'm 1 short. Dude. Just commented out. File is getting kind of big. Now, rather, if it's more than 3, it should be like if it's more than 2. Should be hitting the edge 2. Yes. No. This situation is not getting taken care of. But I don't see why not. Oh wait, because I'm taking a look at the edges. And this would be if I have precisely 2 corners. It's a 2-corner situation. Okay, yes. So in the 2-corner situation, this is exactly what is supposed to happen, because I can count the 2 external ones by just doing this. But the internal one, I'm not accounting for. So this works out nice. Let's then now run it over here. This gets me 8. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is still an 8. Okay, now here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, there you go. In this situation, what is my count up to? What does it look like? My count looks like 4. So yes, that supposition was... I'm back at square one, by the way. I already got here last time. Yeah, so see, now it counts for 8. But if I remember correctly, this edge case still won't work. So there's more bullshit that there's in this particular program. Or maybe not. Okay. This one works thanks to my edge detection. Yes. Or should I say the small pot detection? See no reason for this to not work. 236, yes. 368, this is the one from the example code. Great. Turbo 6, nice. And yeah, this is where I break, right? This is where I'm short. Let's try to isolate what makes this shorter. Specifically the A and B cases. So I believe the G is fine, E is great, D is doing amazing. What I should be... Okay, so there's a count 3, no? Yeah, let's take... Let's take this apart one by one. Okay, so this situation... Okay. A should be serving 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And surprisingly, 8. That's not That's not an edge case. I would like to pretty print only A because it will help me go by faster. Okay. So back at it. That one is okay. Let's take a look at the bottom one. So this is the bottom situation. Which my program counts it as an 8. Be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, short 2 here. Good. That's good. There's the shorts. Great. Because it is specifically 3. Now, makes me wonder. Can it simply be that if I have specifically 3, like if it's precisely 3, could that still work? It won't. Still means something. By the way, just to check that this doesn't mess up everything. Yeah, I'm undershooting a lot. So it's still one short, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Like this edge 2 is getting counted for. This edge is getting counted for. Like, what's the big idea here? Why won't it go through? Oh yeah, but I forgot at the corners there's... Oh my god, I forgot about this one. That's why I quit the corner idea. Now I feel stupid. It's like overshoots like crazy because of the corner idea. Yeah, I'm getting wrecked. So basically this will wreck me, no matter what. Again, corner face me even today. Now thinking about going back to this idea, which, seeing how it's getting displayed, it might even work. Like remove the duplicates. One, two, three, four, five, six. For some reason, I can sort them on my index. I mean, worth a try. It's the only thing it can do. Excuse me for a second. Yeah, well, I think I don't lose much trying this idea out, which would be to simply put everything in a hash for my left operand. Does NeoVim sort do something weird? Yes, it does. So this is a NeoVim doing. What happens if I sort it by Rust? Like if I say chords.sort. Okay, let's sort it here then. Okay, this is because NeoVim is just moving the columns away how it likes to do. I don't know if I can simulate this idea with Rust. Okay, so somehow NeoVim sorts it perfectly on how I need it, because NeoVim would just simply rotate everything in the nicest way possible. But this is an interesting sort. I could swap up every variable for my need. It looks like it will work. And then count my hash. Like, is even any difference between sorts here? Like at some point? Unsorted. Sorted. Nah, man. I might be about to cry because I fall down on a simple algorithm. Should be happy, but it doesn't make me happy one bit. Should remove the duplicates beforehand. Yeah, let's just do it right away. So unique would be my back for chord as well. I should be saying for coding chords, if unique doesn't contain doesn't contain my stuff like my card. Unique.push card. In similar fashion, this will be like unique card. Should be this. The ref this shit. Yeah, you can chill down a little bit. There you go. It's 0 for you. Happy? Great. Let count equals 0. Let mutable count equals 0. And then we can simply go for key val in fence count plus equal val. This val should be use size. Because I don't care about the key. Don't care about all of that. To 25. Don't know about that. Let's get back to our examples and see what's going on with this kind of algorithm. Yeah, 2, 4. Probably won't. It's not working. It doesn't feel like it's working. Of course, it won't work if I tense it up beforehand. 204. Not at all. Worth a shot. Let's do a teeny tiny bit of debugging on this, and then we will see tomorrow what will be the progress. Since I'm printing out this stuff, but I should be printing out also the, I guess, the fence. Or should I say the unique fence? Okay, that's my unique fence, and also in the same fashion I would want my pretty print to go back. Okay, so in the base case of A, I'm getting 14 sides. Oh yes, because I'm counting the incorrect one. Counting only the entries. 1, 2, 3. Still look weird though. Oh yeah, right. Because I should be also seeing if it's incremental. That was the deal. Okay, I can work with this. Then I would split them up. I can linearly count, right? I can just linearly count and say, yeah, but I'd like to split them. I think that splitting them would be let sides, let mute sides. Like some way to combo it up. First to check if this is the first one. If unique. I'm gonna get mad because this is a no, this is not empty. Okay. Prev is going to be 2 equal. So the mutable prev equals chord. Okay. Then if prev dot one, rather chord dot one minus prev dot one is more than 1, then my count goes up. Oh my bad. Should also be in this if condition is false, prev is not initialized. Possibly uninitialized. Yeah. It's okay, buddy. I can do this. So hit counted 6. Might be cooking. Maybe. I find it acceptable to be off by 1. Maybe not. This is 4. It's 8. 4. 6. 6. How's this 6? Yeah, okay. This ain't cooking yet. Like, what? Why is it not accurate? So this is my 2 row, this is my 5 row. Now that's the other problem here. Yeah, I see it now. Not good. Does this sort it better? No, it doesn't. Isn't working exactly how I saw this working. Yeah, because I don't know where to actually put my column business, right? I don't know how I would split them up. I hoped that just iterating would be enough, but still get into some weird cases. So the edge counting won't. The only other way is to just drop the idea of the fence and just look at the adjacency of this stuff. But again, I woke up in the same problem. Like over here. Yeah, because there's not one automatic way that I can think about understanding if I'm vertical or if I'm horizontal. Because if I sort by well, I can double sort it. Once by the sides, once by the columns. I actually want to print that out. Or like take this and see if I can extrapolate some rule over here. Like let's say this one, right? This is my classic sort. But how about now? So 1, 2, 3, and 4. See, I'm getting something, but I don't get to see anything else besides it because I can always be an isolated case of how much shit there is. Yeah, I'm in pain, like serious pain. Brother, this is stupid. This is not, it's not it, chief. But even traversing them in order, it won't cut it because if the author get chaotic, I'm still not going anywhere. The one other way that I can think of, the last way that I can think of, it will be to transverse every single number in, say, this one. Okay. Then we don't really care about the corners because corners are not important in this case. Then I'm going to sign everything at their sides. So if it's over its head, then that should count as a horizontal fence. But if it's on right, on left, this is a vertical fence. By knowing if it's horizontal or vertical, I can then proceed to sort those arrays. And then this split should be more reliable. Right? So in this case, I would push 3 horizontals, 3 horizontals, and 2 verticals. And then I check, I push them by index because this point should be kind of unique. And then I can just count them up if needed splitter. That's in a harder case. Like in the C. This C over here would have 1 vertical and 2 horizontals. This C here has 1 vertical, 1 horizontal, and 2 verticals. This is 1 horizontal, 2 vertical. Yeah, I'm gonna just mash everything into horizontal and vertical and then check the differences because, well, if it's 0, this is a double up, so I can just push it as a unique. This will get me one side. If there's only 1, I'm gonna get the 4. So this is my next tactic. I'm gonna write it down and see tomorrow how it works. So count each, go through each element. Every element up and down is a horizontal fence. Every element left and right is a vertical fence. Check the difference in the arrays. Any diff more than 1 is a site. Next tactic would be this one. Right, is there anyone doing the advent of code? Vasher, let's raid Vasher. Well, guys, thanks for watching. I would see you tomorrow where we tie this new idea. Bye bye.